Hello students, welcome to the next video of numerical analysis. In the previous video we had studied Gram-Schmidt orthogonalizing process. So we'll be studying problems on this. So first one is obtain the first four orthogonal polynomials fn of x on the interval minus 1 comma 1 with respect to the weight function w of x is equal to 1. So solution. So method ಹೇಳುವಾಗ I had taught f1 of x f2 of x ಎಲ್ಲ find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ. So here we had fi of x is equal to xi k I comma 0 f naught of x k I comma 1 f1 of x, so on it will continue. So to find out fi of x we need k I comma 0 and k I comma 1. That means it will vary for each and everything. If k is equal to 0, f naught of x is always 1 that's by default. f1 of x ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ k 1 comma 0 ಬೇಕು, f2 of x ತಗೊಂಡಾಗ k 2 comma 0 ಬೇಕು, 2 comma 1 ಬೇಕು. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ ಅನ್ನು ನಾವೀಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬೇಕಾಗಿರೋದು ನಮಗೆ f3 ಬಿಕಾಸ್ f3 ಬೇಕು ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಫೋರ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೋನಲ್ ಪಾಲಿನೋಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿರುವಾಗ. ಸೊ ಫಾರ್ ದಟ್ ವಿ ನೀಡ್ k I comma j. So k I comma j, it is the relation which is given here. So derivation last ittala adu. So solution, we have k I comma j is equal to integral a to b w of x xi f j of x dx whole thing divided by integral a to b w of x f j square of x into dx. So as usual first let f naught of x is equal to 1 anta fix ಮಾಡೋಣ. So f naught ಆಗೋಯ್ತು, first 4 ಅಲ್ಲಿ first one ಆಗಿದೆ. So we are supposed to find out now f1. So to find out f1 we need f1 of x is equal to x minus k 1 comma 0 into f naught of x ಅಂತ ಗೊತ್ತು. So k 1 comma 0 ಬೇಕು. So k 1 comma 0 is equal to integral a to b w of x. So I is 1 here, so x power 1 is x, f j of x which is f naught of x, so f naught of x dx whole thing divided by integral a to b w of x f naught of x the square into dx. Weighted function is 1 ಅಂತ ಅವರೇ ಹೇಳಿದ್ದಾರೆ ಕ್ವಶನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. So this integral will become integral a to b x f naught of x is 1, so x dx divided by integral a to b dx because both are 1 here. So if you integrate this, k 1 comma 0 is x square by 2 between the limits minus 1 to 1 and x between the limits minus 1 to 1. So ಇದು even function. So even function ಇದ್ದಾಗ 1 square is also 1, minus 1 square is also 1, ಮಧ್ಯದಲ್ಲಿ ಮೈನಸ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ this numerator will become 0 by 2 which is nothing but 0. So f1 of x is given by f1 of x is equal to x minus k 1 comma 0 f naught of x. So f1 of x will be k x minus this is 0 into anything is 0, so f1 of x is x here. Next we need f2 ಬೇಕು. So f2 find out ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ we need k 2 comma 0 and k 2 comma 1. So we'll write k 2 comma 0 is equal to integral minus 1 to 1. Weighted function a bit purana, weighted function is 1 alva. So this will become x square f naught of x into dx divided by integral minus 1 to 1 f naught square of x into dx. So this will become again f naught of x is 1. So if you just integrate this, then this will be x cubed by 3 between the limits minus 1 to 1 and this is x between the limits minus 1 to 1. If you substitute the limit, then this will be 2 by 3 by 2, which is nothing but 1 over 3. Next is k2 comma 1 ಬೇಕು. k2 comma 1 is integral minus 1 to 1 x square into f1 of x dx divided by integral minus 1 to 1 f1 square of x into dx, which is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x square. What is f1 of x? f1 of x ಇವಾಗ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ ಲಾಸ್ಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ. f1 of x is x, so x into x square is x cube, so x cube dx whole thing divided by integral minus 1 to 1, which is x square dx. So k2 comma 1 is equal to x to the power of 4 by 4 between the limits minus 1 to 1 and x cube by 3 between the limits minus 1 to 1. ಮತ್ತೆ ಇದು ಈವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದೆ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಆಬ್ವಿಯಸ್ಲಿ ಝೀರೋನೇ ಬರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ f2 of x is given by f2 of x is equal to x square minus k2 comma 1 f1 of x minus k2 comma 0 f0 of x. So f2 of x is equal to, so k2 comma 1 is 0, so ಇದು ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. k2 comma 0 is 1 by 3, f0 of x is f0 of x is 1, so this is x square minus 1 over 3. f2 ಆಯಿತು. ಈಗ f3 ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ f3 ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋಕ್ಕೆ we need k3 comma 0, k3 comma 1 and k3 comma 2. So first we'll find out what is k3 comma 0. So k3 comma 0 is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x cube f0 of x dx whole thing divided by integral minus 1 to 1 f0 square of x dx, which is equal to f0 of x is 1 and this is also 1, so I'll just integrate this. This will become x to the power of 4 by 4 divided by x between the limits minus 1 to 1. So again this is a even function, so ಇದು 0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. Next we need k3 comma 1. So to find k3 comma 1, so k3 comma 1 is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x cube into f1 of x dx whole thing divided by integral minus 1 to 1 f1 square of x into dx. This is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 f1 of x is x, so this will become x to the power of 4 dx divided by integral minus 1 to 1, this f1 of x is x, so this will become x square dx. So integrate ಮಾಡೋಣ. If you integrate this, then this will be x to the power of 5 by 5 whole thing divided by between the limits minus 1 to 1 whole thing divided by x cube by 3 between the limits minus 1 to 1. If you substitute, then this will be 2 over 5 and 2 over 3, or else if you simplify this, this is nothing but 3 over 5. Next we need k3 comma 2. So k3 comma 2 is equal to integral minus 1 to 1 x cube f2 of x into dx whole thing divided by integral minus 1 to 1 f2 square of x into dx, which is integral minus 1 to 1 x cube into f2 of x is known, which is x square minus 1 over 3. ಇವಾಗ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀವಿ ನೋಡಿ, x square minus 1 over 3 into dx whole thing divided by integral minus 1 to 1 x square minus 1 over 3 whole square into dx. ಮತ್ತೆ ನೋಡಿ, x cube into x square is x to the power of 5. If you integrate this, then that will be an even function. x cube into 1 by 3 ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ again it is x cube, which is odd. Differentiate ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ x to the power of 4 by 4, which is an even function. So numerator even function ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ obviously it is 0 ಯಾವಾಗೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಇವನ್ ಫಂಕ್ಷನ್ ಇದ್ದಾಗ ಬಿಟ್ವೀನ್ ದ ಲಿಮಿಟ್ಸ್ -1 to 1 that will be 0. So k3 comma 2 is equal to 0. So f3 of x is given by f3 of x is equal to x cube minus k3 comma 0 f0 of x minus k3 comma 1 f1 of x minus k3 comma 2 f2 of x. So f3 of x is equal to x cube. We know what is f0 of x. f0 of x ಗೊತ್ತು, but k3 comma 0 ಏನು? k3 comma 0 is 0, so ಈ ಟರ್ಮ್ ಹೊರಟೋಗುತ್ತೆ. f1 of x is x, k3 comma 1 is 3 by 5, so minus 3 by 5 x, and f2 of x is known, but k3 comma 2 is 0, so last term ಕೂಡ ಬರಲ್ಲ. So f3 of x is x cube minus 3 by 5 x. So by this way we found out what is f0 of x is first ಕನ್ಸಿಡರ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ನಾವೇನೆ ಅದನ್ನ assumption f0 of x is 1, f1 of x is x, then f2 of x find out ಮಾಡಿದೀವಿ. We have also found out what is f3 of x. So this was about the first problem. We'll go to the next one now. So the second problem is this way. Using the Gram-Schmidt orthogonalization process, compute the first three orthogonal polynomials f0 of x, f1 of x, f2 of x, which are orthogonal on 0, 1 with respect to the weighted function w of x. Using these polynomials, obtain the least square approximation of second degree for f of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2 on the interval 0, 1. So this is the actual application. ಇವಾಗ ಕರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇದೀವಿ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರು. ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಗೆ ಗ್ರಾಮ್-ಸ್ಮಿಟ್ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೊನಲೈಸೇಷನ್ ಯೂಸ್ ಮಾಡಿಕೊಂಡು ಈ ಮೂರು ಆರ್ಥೋಗೊನಲ್ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ಸ್ನ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡೋದು ಅಂತ ಮಾಡಿದ್ವಿ. ಇವಾಗ ಲೀಸ್ಟ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಅಪ್ರಾಕ್ಸಿಮೇಷನ್ ಹೇಗೆ ಸೆಕೆಂಡ್ ಡಿಗ್ರಿ ಪಾಲಿನಾಮಿಯಲ್ದು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್, so first we have k I comma j is equal to integral a to b w of x xi fj of x divided by integral a to b w of x fj square of x dx. So first is let f0 of x is equal to 1. So f0 of x ನ 1 ಅಂತ ಅಸ್ಯೂಮ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳೋಣ. ಸೊ f1 ಕಂಡುಹಿಡಿಬೇಕು ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ನನಗೆ k1, 0 ಬೇಕು. ಸೊ k1, 0 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x dx whole thing divided by integral 0 to 1 dx. ಸಬ್ಸ್ಟಿಟ್ಯೂಟ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ಡೈರೆಕ್ಟಾಗಿ ಹಾಕ್ಬೋದು, ತೊಂದರೆ ಇಲ್ಲ. So we already know what is f0 of x. So ಇಲ್ಲಿ f0 ಆಗುತ್ತೆ. So this will become x square by 2 between the limit 0 to 1 and x between the limit 0 to 1. So the numerator simplification is 0 to 1 andre 1 by 2, 1 over 2 divided by 1, which is 1 over 2. So we know f1 of x. So f1 of x is equal to x minus k1, 0 f0 of x. f0 of x is 1, k1, 0 is 1 by 2. So f1 of x is x minus 1 over 2. Next we have to find out f2. f1 f0 ಆಯಿತು, f1 ಆಯಿತು, ನೆಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ f2 ಮಾತ್ರ ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ ಮಾಡಬೇಕಾಗಿರುತ್ತೆ. ಸೊ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ಔಟ್ f2 we need k2, 0 and k2, 1. So k2, 0 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x square f0 of x dx divided by integral 0 to 1 f0 square of x into dx. So substitute ಮಾಡೋಣ. f0 of x is 1, so this will be x square dx divided by integral 0 to 1 dx. So if you integrate this, k2 comma 0 is equal to x cube by 3 by x between the limit 0 to 1, 0 to 1, which is 1 over 3. Next we need k2 comma 1. So k2 comma 1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x square f1 of x dx divided by integral 0 to 1 f1 square of x into dx, that is equal to integral 0 to 1 x square into x minus 1 over 2 dx, whole thing divided by integral 0 to 1 x minus 1 over 2 the whole square into dx. So k2 comma 1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x cube minus x square by 2 dx divided by integral 0 to 1 x square minus x plus 1 over 4 dx. If you integrate this, then this will be x to the power of 4 by 4 between the limit 0 to 1 minus x cube by 6 between the limit 0 to 1 divided by x cube by 3 between the limit 0 to 1 minus x square by 2 between 0 to 1 plus x by 4 between 0 to 1. If you simplify this integral, substituting the limits, you will be getting it as 1. Substitute ಮಾಡಿ ಸಿಗತ್ತೆ ನಿಮಗೂ. So f2 of x is equal to x square minus k2 comma 0 f0 of x minus k2 comma 1 f1 of x, or else f2 of x is equal to x square minus 1 by 3 into 1 minus x plus 1 by 2. ಯಾಕೆಂದರೆ x2 comma 1 ಏನು 1, f1 of x is x minus 1 by 2, so minus of minus is plus. ಇದೆರಡು ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ f2 of x is x square minus x plus 1 over 6. So we got all the three. Now we are supposed to find the least square approximation of second degree for f of x is equal to x to the power of 1 by 2. So second degree and takshana n ಏನಾಗುತ್ತೆ, n will be 2 now. So using these polynomials, for n is equal to 2, sum of the errors a0, a1, so on up to an will be integral a to b w of x y of x minus a0 f0 of x plus a1 f1 of x plus a2 f2 of x whole square dx. Now ಆರ್ಥೋಗೊನಾಲಿಟಿ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ನು, ಆರ್ಥೋಗೊನಾಲಿಟಿ ಡಿಫೈನ್ ಮಾಡಿದಾಗ ಅದರದ್ದು ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಲನೇಷನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳಿದ್ದೆ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೊನಲ್ ಕಂಡೀಷನ್ ಲಾಸ್ಟಲ್ಲಿ ಟು ಫೈಂಡ್ ದ ಕಾನ್ಸ್ಟೆಂಟ್ಸ್ a0, a1 ಆ್ಯಂಡ್ a2. ಸೊ ದ ಆರ್ಥೋಗೊನಾಲಿಟಿ condition is given by ai is equal to integral a to b w of x y of x fi of x divided by integral a to b w of x fi square of x dx. So a1 ಬೇಕು, a1 is, sorry, we need a0 first. So a naught is integral a to b, w of x is 1, y of x is x to the power of 1 by 2, f naught of x divided by integral, sorry, this is between the limit 0 to 1. Again, w of x is 1, f naught square of x into dx, which is nothing but integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 1 by 2 dx divided by integral 0 to 1 dx, which is x to the power of 3 by 2 by 3 by 2 whole thing divided by x between the limits 0 to 1. So limit apply madadre this will be 3 by 2, this will be 1. So reciprocate madadre this is nothing but 2 over 3. So we got a naught. Next we need a1. So a1 is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 1 by 2 f1 of x dx whole thing divided by integral 0 to 1 f1 square of x dx, which is equal to integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 1 by 2 into f1 of x is found out, which is x minus 1 over 2 into dx whole thing divided by integral 0 to 1 x minus 1 over 2 square into dx. So integrate na evaluate ಮಾಡಿ simplify ಮಾಡಿ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾಡಿ ನಾನು ಮಾಡಿದ್ದೀನಿ. So after simplifying I got this as 4 over 5. Next we have a3 should be found out, sorry a2 should be found out, which is integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 1 by 2 f2 of x into dx whole thing divided by integral 0 to 1 f2 square of x into dx, which is integral 0 to 1 x to the power of 1 by 2 into x square minus x plus 1 by 6 whole thing divided by integral 0 to 1 x square minus x plus 1 by 6 the whole square. ಸೊ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೆಂಗೆ ಸಿಂಪ್ಲಿಫೈ ಮಾಡ್ತೀರಾ ಅಂದರೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡಿ, ಮಲ್ಟಿಪ್ಲೈ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರೇಟ್ನ ಎವ್ಯಾಲ್ಯೂಯೇಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಸ್ಪ್ಲಿಟ್ ಮಾಡಿಬಿಡ್ಬೇಕಾರೆ ಮಾಡಿ, ಇಲ್ಲಾಂದರೆ ಆಮೇಲೆ ಇದನ್ನು ಹೋಲ್ ಸ್ಕ್ವೇರ್ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಪ್ಯಾಂಡ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ದಿಸ್ ಈಸ್ ಆಫ್ ದ ಫಾರ್ಮ್ a plus b plus c whole square. Again expand this and solve. So if you solve that way we got a2 as minus 4 over 7. ಕ್ಯಾಲ್ಸಿಲ್ ಹಾಕಿ ಟ್ರೈ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಬೇಕಾದ್ರೆ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ನ, ಡೆಫಿನೆಟ್ ಇಂಟಿಗ್ರಲ್ ಇರೋದ್ರಿಂದ. ಸೊ ವಿಲ್ ಬಿ ಗೆಟಿಂಗ್ ದ ಸೊಲ್ಯೂಷನ್ ಬಟ್ ಇಟ್ ವಿಲ್ ಟೇಕ್ ಅ ಬಿಟ್ ಟೈಮ್. ಸೊ ವಿ ಗಾಟ್, ಸೊ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಹೇಳಿದ್ವಲ್ಲ ದಿಸ್ ಶುಡ್ ಬಿ ಅವರ್ expansion least square approximation. So a0 ಸಿಕ್ತು, f0 ಸಿಕ್ತು, a1 ಸಿಕ್ತು, f1 ಸಿಕ್ತು, a2 ಸಿಕ್ತು, f2 ಸಿಕ್ತು. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ least square approximation ಏನು ಅಂತ ನೋಡೋಣ. ಸೊ ದ ರಿಕ್ವೈರ್ಡ್ least square approximation is y of x is equal to a0 f0 of x plus a1 f1 of x plus a2 f2 of x, which is 2 by 3 plus 4 by 5 into x minus 1 over 2 minus 4 by 7 into x square minus x plus 1 over 6. So if you simplify this, then this will turn out to 1 by 35 into 6 plus 48x minus 20x square. So this was the required least square approximation. So this was all about the least square approximation. Next we'll go to the next approximation. Thank you, students.